be getting baby fever, y'all. I get it real heavy. I feel like a damn linebacker in this dress, okay? I feel like I got a big back. I'm spoiled. I don't like to work too hard.
And I say the same thing every single time. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. Keep me up on everything. Other hoes ain't never known it. I want this forever.
What's up,
I spend whatever.
welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another vlog. So you guys, I am rushing per usual. I just finished filming this makeup look. So this is my version of the whole clean minimalistic makeup look. I hope you guys like it, honey. I feel like a naked mole rat, okay, because I don't have on any lashes. But this video will be up Friday, just in case you guys are interested. The last time I asked you guys on my vlog who watches my beauty content and who watches the vlog, I only had a few of you guys say that you watch the beauty content, and a few of you guys that said you like both. But I guess I'm gonna continue to film beauty sit down content because I love sitting down. I love doing makeup and all of that good stuff. So if you don't watch it, sis, if you like the vlogs better than the sit down makeup videos, just go like it, okay? Just go like it. Just help a sister out, okay? So we are actually headed to Nay's baby shower, you guys. Nay, she actually went on a trip with us to Atlanta last year, so you guys probably do remember her. So and I also took you guys to the gender reveal. So they're finally having their boy, you guys. They had two girls already, and then now they're having their boy. So babe ran into Dollar Tree real quick to grab some gift bags, or one gift bag rather, because I was actually gonna wrap the whole box like in baby gift wrap paper or whatever you want to call it, but I didn't go to the store in enough time, so we had to quickly stop. It started at 3 o'clock, girl. It's already 3:29, and they live about 20-30 minutes out from us, so we're gonna be late, okay? We are gonna be late. It actually looks like it's gonna rain today, you guys. There is like some overcast today. So I don't think I have anything pretty much too crazy planned today. That's why I didn't really mind doing this whole simple makeup look, because I really don't have anything else to do on my agenda today. Now tomorrow I do have a bridal shower to go to. This is just so exciting, like the baby shower, the bridal shower, like it's so exciting for me, you guys. Like I get inspired by stuff. Like I get inspired. Like I cannot wait until it's my turn to have a bridal shower, and I cannot wait until it's my time to have another baby shower. It's such a beautiful thing when you can be happy for other people, you guys, and when you can clap for other people even when it's not your time and it's not necessarily your season. It's a beautiful thing. I am so inspired by the baby shower and the bridal shower, you guys, and I know babe and I time is definitely coming. In the meantime, I'm clapping for these girls. I'm so happy, and like I told you guys, anytime somebody invites me to something, I'm trying to do my best to just go and just have fun, make new friends, build authentic friendships, and all of that stuff, you guys. And in the meantime, sis, it is a hot girl summer for me. We outside and we're about to have fun. You found the gift bag? You did? That's the best you could find. Y'all, look at this gift bag.
It's a boy.
Yeah, it's a boy.
Alright, then wrong with it.
Oh, it's a little whale on it. No. All of these babies, girl. Like when I be keeping my niece, I be getting baby fever, y'all. I get it real heavy. Y'all let me know what y'all think about my hair, because I actually this is my second time wearing this hair, and to me it's trash. I don't know if I just don't like a middle part in general at all, or if it's because the hair is not giving what it's supposed to give. It's kind of thin, and it's, you know, I don't know, it ain't really my speed, girl. It really don't have no luster to it or nothing, girl. But for these next 4 days, I'm gonna make it do what it do. baby shower was so much fun. I'm back on my camera, and this is like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shots later. Let me stop playing. I ain't had that many shots, but
2 shots.
I know, right? I had 2 shots, and then I had a drink. But I cannot wait for the girls, Nene and Nate, to be outside again, y'all. They gotta drop them babies. Okay, we were already at the baby shower saying, where we going? We were planning a trip to Jamaica, and I was like, girl, say less. I'll start looking for all-inclusive resort. So if y'all know something, drop it down in the comments bar below. I'm talking too fast. I'll probably start looking at vlogs and stuff like that, other people's vlogs as far as Jamaica, to maybe get some ideas and stuff. And next weekend, we're actually going to the beach, which I'm super excited about, you guys, because like I told you guys, I did get a new job, and I am teaching summer school because they offered it to me. And sis gonna make them coins. Y'all know if I don't do nothing, I'm gonna make that money, okay? I'm gonna get to this money, okay? We're gonna get to the money. We're gonna get to the bag all 2022 by all means necessary, because I'm spoiled. I don't like to work too hard. I'm a brat, y'all. Like, I love to have it my way. It's Burger King over here, babe. I already know. This Friday was the official last day kinda of school. Hopefully the kids don't come back Monday. Basically, when you guys see this vlog, Friday pretty much will be the last day of school. So we leaving out Friday. We're not coming back to Monday, which is Memorial Day, and we just gonna have a good time, girl, because it is so needed. Okay, I just need to sit out on the beach. If I don't do nothing else, I will sit on the beach all the day. Like, baby and I, we love the beach.
Yeah, I don't.
You don't love the beach, right?
No.
Yes, you do. Well, we went to Miami, you guys. We spent most of our time on the beach. My sister's like, where y'all at? We like, on the beach. Like, what you think we came here for? That's why I get so black. Oh my God, girl, I be getting so dark during the summer months. But I will sit on the beach all day. Like, I don't have to do nothing else. Eat and beach me all day while I'm at the beach. That's all I need. But anyways, you guys, my makeup is still holding up on the plus side. So make sure you guys check out Friday's video, because I've been wearing this makeup for a few hours now. It's 6:30 now. I put it on maybe about 2 o'clock. So it's been a few hours. I have not blotted or anything, and I've been getting so many compliments on my makeup. But anyways, enough of me talking. I'm gonna catch up with you guys whenever baby and I do something else exciting. Wait for it. We ended up at home, sis. Okay, we at home. We ain't outside no more. So I'm getting ready to wrap my hair up, you guys, take my makeup off. And normally I don't even brush hair in my bathroom, girl. Like, I don't do nothing dealing with no hair besides washing it in my bathroom, because I just don't like when hair be everywhere. Like, it makes the bathroom so nasty. Ew. The girls that get it. We naked mole rats over here, okay? Only hair I want in my bathroom is really no hair, okay? But the only hair I want on my body is the hair on my head. I'm just saying. We end up coming home. I told y'all this hair is trash. Y'all see how I'm having to comb this hair out? I'm literally about to get online and order the hair I want. I feel like the only hair that I really like is Ali Pearl hair, Love Me hair, top tier. They're lace, you guys already know. That is my favorite, like, lace hair company. Like, if you want a good lace wig, because not only do they do right by me, okay, and they give me what I'm worth, but they also have really, really good quality hair. Good quality hair and good quality lace. But this hair, I guess now that it's curled, it's not as bad. But the curls did fall, and I did use some holding spray. So like I was telling you guys, I do have the brunch to go to tomorrow. So hopefully this hair, it curl up again and do what it's supposed to do tomorrow. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I really don't care. And then probably Thursday night I'm gonna go with like a deep wave wig or something like that, because I do I'm going to the beach like I told you guys. So yeah, so I'm about to wrap my hair up, girl, and go order me some hair. What was I going with that? Yeah, the hair is kind of expensive, but to me, I don't care, because I know that when you spend good money on stuff, you really get your money's worth when it's good quality, if that makes sense. And I mean, if I gotta be honest, $400 is expensive for some hair, to me, in my opinion. Because there's other things that I could do with $400 besides spending on some hair. But because I guess I feel like I'm really vested in my hair at this point, and I really love a natural looking weave. I like my hair to be flat. Like, I like silky, nice hair. I feel like it's worth it. And the way I take care of my hair, I know I will have it for a long time, at least 2 years. So I mean, $400 divided by 365 times 4. it'll be worth it, okay? We ain't getting into that math shit, girl, because y'all know that ain't my area, okay? So with all that being said, sis, invest in yourself, okay? If you want something, go get it, sis. Don't wait for anybody else to give it to you. Ain't no handouts in life, sis. Go get it. Stop talking about it and go get it. Be about it, period. So let me go ahead and get unready, and more than likely, I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, you guys. So today is Sunday, and normally I don't go anywhere, girl, or do anything too crazy on a Sunday, but I do have a bridal shower to go to, so I've already done my makeup. I also filmed a video as well, okay? So look at me vlogging and getting shit done, okay? I'm vlogging, I'm filming sit down content. I filmed 2 videos this weekend, you guys. I am so proud of myself. I'm trying to be more intentional when it comes to YouTube and just my life in general, you guys. So we'll talk about a little bit more about that when we get in the car. But the event starts at 2 o'clock, girl. It's already 2 o'clock. It's probably like 1:50 or something like that. Hey Siri, what time is it? Told y'all, it's 1:57 p.m. I do want to curl the front part of my hair again, girl. I cannot wait to take this hair out of my head. Like, it's just really not up to my quality, up to my standard. It's not given. But anyways, I'm about to get ready to put on my clothes. Hopefully by the time I'm ready, you guys, it stops raining. Cause girl, when I tell y'all it's pouring down flooding out there, it's pouring down flooding out there. Let me go ahead and finish it myself together, girl, cause I'm over it already. I'm ready to come back home, and I ain't even left home yet at this point. To go somewhere, you guys. I be hot, I be sweaty, and everything in between, girl. So I am in the car now. I just dropped casing off to Babe. He zipped my dress up, girl. I'm like, I feel like a damn linebacker in this dress, okay? I feel like I got a big back. I should have got a medium, but I wanted it to be like tight, you know. I wanted it to fit, you know, shoot. So that's why I got a small. It was so funny, y'all. My auntie was like, girl, you know you want out a small. But some things, you guys, I really do need a small in, and I always get a medium. But majority of the time when I'm ordering stuff, I try to get a small and a medium, and whatever don't work, I'll send it back. Because this dress is from Shein, and Shein is really good about if something doesn't work, you can always just send it back to them. So yeah, you guys, I gotta hurry up and get some tint on my window, girl, because people just looking at me in this car. And I also have to get my I ordered one, I hope y'all can hear me. I got the air so loud. Let me turn it down. So like I was saying, I ordered a like a car mount, although I don't want anything really on my windshield, but I do want to be able to talk to you guys and do some car vlogging without me having to worry, am I being safe, am I driving safe, and all of that. So I ordered one, but it didn't work out because my rearview mirror, like, it's got the most.com on it. I guess BMW and they security, honey. Girl, I feel like if I breathe wrong, I'm gonna pop in this damn dress, okay? Like, it's that serious. And Angel, y'all, was just talking to her. She was like, girl, hurry up and get here. She was like, I had to go home and change clothes. Like, she was telling me she popped out of her dress. And I'm like, bitch, I hope I don't pop out of mine, okay? I'm all over the place, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, like, I'm rushing. I am trying to be more intentional. That's what I was talking about while I was getting ready, you guys. I want to be more intentional with everything in my life, you guys. Anything in life. You know, I want to do things with a purpose. So even if I'm vlogging, I don't want to say I'm gonna have things like planned out, but I want to be still myself, of course, and still authentic, but I do want to be more intentional, and I don't want my vlogs to be all over the place. But it's okay, and obviously that's why you guys love me and like watching me for some reason, I guess, because I'm all over the damn place. But I cannot wait till I get the car mount for my car. This is actually not a bad setup. I'm literally just holding the camera. It's actually pretty sturdy, and I can still, you know, see the road. But anyways, you guys, enough of me talking. I have about a 20-minute drive, so once we get there, I will talk to you guys then. And more than likely, like, I'm getting to the phase of my life where I don't want to be weird and have my camera out around people that I'm still getting to know, but at the same time, this is my life, and I'm supposed to be vlogging and documenting it for you guys, because y'all want to see. Y'all want to see what sis be doing, you know what I'm saying? And I want y'all to see, so I am going to take my vlogging camera. But sometimes, you guys, like, in certain situations, I literally freak myself out. Like, it don't even be that serious. Like, sometimes I'm like, oh my god, everybody gonna be staring at me, when people gonna stare at me anyway, because I'm cute. Okay, it's not just because I'm vlogging. Tell me why I thought her gift was going to come in like a nice little box. Girl, this gift, Amazon has delivered this gift, girl, in a plastic bag, girl. A clear plastic bag. And I'm like, at this point, I'm already like 50 minutes late, so I'm not stopping. I don't have enough time to get a gift bag. It's giving very ghetto, okay? It's giving very ghetto, but it is what it is. Enough of me talking. And I'm gonna see you guys once I get there.